Hello, Evergreen traders and investors. This is JC De Guzman, founder and CEO of Equilyst Analytics Incorporated. And we are already on our EquiTalks episode number 102. So, what about a round of applause? Finally, we have managed to record, publish, produce 102 videos year to date. So, 898 more videos to go before the end of 2020. How about that for a goal? How's that for a goal? Well, anyway, let's talk about in this 102nd episode, let's talk about JG Summit Holdings Incorporated with a stock code of your guess is as good as mine, JGS. And today is February 11, 2020, Tuesday, and I'll give you my technical analysis and recommendation for JG Summit. And of course, by the end of this discussion, I am going to answer this question. Is it logical to wait below 69 pesos per share for JGS before you entertain the idea of doing a test buy or topping up? I'll get that. I will answer that. And you will also know what is that 69? What's so important about that number? Is that a support level or the resistance? You will know. I'll let you know. But first things first, we need to talk about my technical analysis for JGS based on my evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. Just a quick introduction, this evergreen strategy is a collection of my proprietary methodologies in short-term trading and long-term investing. Yes, it works whether you are into short-term trading or long-term investing. It's not one-sided, all right? And to know more about the 6 lessons that you will learn from me in this online stock market seminar, the Evergreen Strategy, visit our website at equilyst.com and then click on the course menu on the homepage. There are 6 lessons that you will learn from me, and I would recommend that you read that entire page to know why you should have an access to this online stock market course or online stock market seminar. Well, the main reason is that you will not find, you will learn what's not on Google. That's what I guarantee you. All right. So without further ado, let's talk about JGS in this daily chart. So it closed today, February 11, 2020, Tuesday at 71.90. Support is at 69 pesos per share. Okay, 69 is the support level. Now you know. Resistance is at 77. It was a net foreign selling worth 9.21 million pesos. Foreign fundies are net sellers year to date. The 10 MACD of JGS is bearish because the last price is still trading below the 10 SMA even though MACD is still moving above the signal line. So at this point, I'm already telling you there is no buy signal confirmation yet for JGS. Okay, let that sink in. The risk level of this stock is still low due to its historical volatility score of 45.8%. The downtrend momentum is still strong as confirmed by this DMI chart. The red line is still hovering the green line, which is the negative DMI over the positive DMI in ADX. This black line right here is higher than 25 points. So that's a confirmation that the downtrend is not getting any better. It's getting worse. And when I said that, that already means that the downtrend is more likely to continue. Okay? Now, based on my trade and volume distribution analysis, the volume weighted average price of JGS is at 71.82. That's still lower than the last price, but don't expect me to say that there's already a buy signal confirmation because that can only happen if the 10 MACD and the momentum power indicator of a stock are both bullish. I said both, okay? BOTH, not BOAT. All right. Anyway, So the momentum power indicator of JGS is bullish, but its partner, the 10 MACD, is still being acting as a contrarian. It's bearish. So let's let it do its thing for now. The true market sentiment agrees with me when I say that there is no buy signal confirmation, because the true market sentiment is bearish for today. Okay, the best part. This is what you've been waiting for. The recommendations part. Understand that when I give my recommendations, especially for those who may already have a position in this stock, that it's always under the assumption that your trailing stop is intact. That's the SOP here at Equilyst Analytics. Okay? Don't trade, don't invest without using a trailing stop. You can use a trailing stop. It is highly recommended. In fact, it's not a choice. It's not an option. It's a command. It's an SOP. You're better off not you're better off not engage yourself into short-term trading or long-term investing if you have no plans of using a trailing stop. Okay? So it's your protection, because a trailing stop preserves your capital, protects your gains, and prevents unbearable losses. Memorize those three-letter P's, those three verbs that begin with the letter P. All right? Okay. Now, if you have JGS, I would recommend that you reduce the percentage of risk on your trailing stop. You can use our trailing stop calculator. It's on our website. Go to equilyst.com, resources, tools, and then trailing stop calculator. Okay? There's an explanation on that page what's that trailing stop calculator is, and I also programmed it so that it can interpret for you the results, so that you can use it anytime you'd like to. All right? So don't average down. By the way, it's a mortal sin here. Averaging down is a mortal sin when the downtrend is more than likely to continue. Why? It's a waste of buying power. That's it. It's a waste of buying power. So don't waste your buying power. Okay? Now, if you don't have JGS, then don't buy it yet. Please entertain the idea of doing a test buy if and only if the 10 MACD and momentum power indicator of the stock are both bullish, which is not the case in JGS right now, for now. This is not etched on the stone. Sentiments change when these lines change, okay, when our data change. But that's it for now, all right? There's no buy signal confirmation. So that's it for JGS. I think we already answered the question. Is it logical to wait below 69? Yes, it is. I said wait. I did not say buy below 69. No. It's pretty simple here. When should you buy? When the 10 MACD and when the momentum power indicator are both bullish. Okay? Now, let me take this opportunity to welcome you or to invite you to sign up to our free newsletter while it's free. Okay? While it's free. Go to equilyst.com, click on resources, click learn, and then you will find this orange button. Click it, sign up, check your inbox for the confirmation email, confirm your registration. If it's not in your inbox, it must be in your spam or junk folder. So check it out there. And then also on the description box down below, you will find our links to our social media accounts. Follow us there so that you will also be notified through your favorite social media account when we publish a new episode. Aside from that automatic email that you will be receiving, of course. So the more the better, right? Anyway, it's free. There's nothing to lose. Everything is for you to gain. Everything's in favorable for you. All right, so that's it. And by the way, I almost forgot to mention that if you are one of our customers, or to be specific, one of our subscribers, to what? To our stock market subscription service, you can ask for our latest analysis and recommendation, specific recommendations that is tailored fit according to you, not your fellow subscribers, but only to you. you can post that request in our private clients forum. But then again, of course, if you're one of our subscribers. So how do you subscribe? Well, just go to our website at equilyst.com and then click the subscribe page or menu on top. You will find maybe around 6 to 7 orange buttons that says read, click here to read the details. So click all of those orange buttons, please, and read everything. Avoid paying for your subscription and then read later. No, that's the number one thing that you need to avoid. All right? It, that's not a smart decision. That's not a smart move. So you have to read everything first. If you like what we can afford to give you, then that's the time that you should subscribe. All right? So go to equilyst.com and then click the subscribe page on top. There are 6 inclusions in this subscription service. We have coverage for those who would like to do short-term trading, those who would like to do long-term investing, or both. All right. So just read the details there. I can explain everything in this EquiTalks episode number 102. All right, but that's all for now. Again, thank you for listening to this EquiTalks episode. If you're listening to this one on our SoundCloud podcast, or if you're watching this video on our YouTube channel, thank you for always watching and listening to our EquiTalks episode. Again, this is JC De Guzman. Always remember, be evergreen.